Okay. And then on the cell tower issue, some of the folks out there are concerned about the one area where the county might have some say-so on this appears to be the appearance or aesthetics of these things. Do you all see any ability to tweak that at all? People are very concerned about the size of these items right out front of their school or their homes.
Council Vice President, feel free to jump in. Kate, we've had, two full council work sessions on this after a number of Fed work sessions as well. And we've already taken, I understand the concern. We've taken a number of amendments to sort of address that. I don't imagine that they'll make everyone in the county happy, certainly. But there's already been a number of amendments that the council has passed during these work sessions to try to mitigate that.
I'll just add, Kate, that they have to go on existing utility poles or existing light poles and so we're not talking about adding on to the additional infrastructure that doesn't already exist within communities. And some of the images that have been shown on the technology for 5G are pretty dated. The technology has come up, and from an aesthetic standpoint, which I think makes a significant difference. And as the council president noted, we've taken a variety of steps, the tree canopy amendment being a good example of one, of helping to ensure that we minimize any level of disruption within communities as much as possible, acknowledging both the federal law that we have to be in compliance with, but also the practical reality that 5G technology has significant implications overall, both for public service in terms of public safety, economic development, academic issues. It also has major implications for telehealth, telemedicine. So there are a variety of positive applications if we enhance broadband and Wi-Fi technology to all county residents.